Okay, so today we're gonna be reaping yams in my backyard. This is Florida, and most people don't expect yams to be growing in Florida, but I have a nice yam that I'm actually right here. If you can see, right here, all over this is a yam. It's growing up under my fence and going over into the other people's property, so I have to dig it out and then dig it from underneath the it went underneath the fence and over the other side. So I'll dig out from this side and then go around the other side to dig it out. As I dig it, I'll let you see the size and the scope of this yam because it is a massive yam. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've gone almost 1.5 feet below the yam and it's still not budging, so that means it's still way down more. So we're gonna keep shifting and shifting until we get it. Okay, so we've gotten the first big piece out and then it's broken off in there, so we're getting the rest of it out. Okay, so that's done. Okay. All right, so I think I've gotten everything. Okay, so there we go. Okay, piece of yam. Yam look like Rasta. All right, so. You can see how purple it is. It's common. The bearing time is common during the winter time in the tropics. What is the winter for the tropics? That is December. It usually ready by that time. Very soft and very mild and palatable yam. Nice purple yam. It's gonna be really nice with some saltfish and onions and stuff.